If this is happening to your kitchen backsplash, stop. Don't put any more caulk in there. I'm going to show you how to fix it so it'll never happen again. I'm Dave Blake, a licensed tile contractor, and this is my house. I tiled this backsplash, about a year ago. I'm going to show you how to fix it so it never happens again and explain why that's happening. The reason why this joint cracks is because you got movement between the deck and the wall. When you glue tile to the wall, it doesn't move, but your cabinets move back up and down from swelling and the movement in the house, where you're located at, the land. A lot of different reasons why that joint cracks. So we're going to dig it out and put some caulking in there. But on this side, if you see, that joint didn't crack, so it's got a little hairline crack. And I'm just going to put some caulking, a quick fix. So if your backsplash is cracking completely like this, I recommend digging it all out. I'm going to show you how to do it, what tools and what caulking to use today. These are the tools and things we're going to be using today to fix this thing. You need a sponge, bucket of water. That's a vacuum. You don't really need it. You can have a little hand brush. This is a little grout removing tool. This is like a glass cleaner. It scrapes it. A utility knife and a caulking gun. I'm showing you different kinds of caulk, sanded, unsanded. Today we'll be using unsanded. Anything under a 1/16, you use unsanded. Anything over sanded. And these caulks, you can get them at Home Depot. They match the color of your grout. And do not get one that's all silicone. It's a nightmare. Trust me, it happened to me. You do not. Remember, make sure it's water cleanup on your caulking. I'm going to show you how to do this one real quick, the one where you just caulk it. You don't need a lot. Put it down there. Get your finger. Just make sure you smear it good, right? See how that disappears? Then get yourself a sponge. Nice clean sponge. That's it. On to removing the grout from the other one. I like this tool the best. Then you get the knife out. That's why I like the vacuum. There you go. I'm going to do that to all the joint all the way around my kitchen, and then I'll show you how to caulk it. I'll show you a little more just to make sure you get how it's done. Pretty simple. Nothing to it. Then you can have a little brush or whatever. Make sure you get it all. That's why I like the vacuum. This is complete. Okay. Now you have all the grout out of there, all along the bottom. So you really want to get all that grout out of there, so when you caulk it, it'll be nice and clean. Oh, we'll get more to that later. I just want to show you these tools again. This one's great. I got that at Home Depot, but you can pick it up on Amazon. I'll leave a link. This is just a box cover, but I like it. It's a Milwaukee because it's a retractable. It goes on my belt. And this is just for like a safety razor and a holder. And this thing, I scrape a lot of things with this. So I'll leave the links below, but those are a must to have to do any kind of re-caulking. Let's get to caulking. I'm just going to do this one section. You don't need a lot, remember. Use what's on your finger too. And get your water. It's that simple. I'm going to do the whole thing. You don't need a lot. Hit it with your finger and take it with your sponge. If you don't want to waste the caulking, I got a blob on it from doing it over there. Just come on over here and use it. All right, and then, all right. Hardest thing, I'm even going to caulk around here. I don't like the way this thing looks. I'm going to fill that up. That's just an added treat for you guys. I should have caulked that when I put it in, but I didn't. So you can be kind of messy. Then you just grab your sponge, as I'm doing right now. I'm rinsing it out, getting it good, and then voila. See? Trade secret, just use your finger and get it even better. We're all done. Nice joint on the whole thing. Oh yeah, by the way, if you want to pick up my grout like a pro, this took me 40 years to do. I started about 13 years ago and I finally finished it probably a month ago, re-editing it, and now you pick it up in the link below. It's got all my tricks, tips, all my grouting video. Well, most of my grouting videos are in links in the PDF. You can hit the link in there and see how I grout showers, bathrooms, kitchen backsplashes, floors with bases, fireplace, you name it. It's all in here. Get this today, link below. Have a great day.